Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com, Snowplow Nation. We are talking about the next couple days here, September 7th. It's 5 o'clock p.m. and we're going to go over the next couple days of the weather. First off, you can see on this map we have Hermine still sitting off the coast. Hermine, whatever you want to call it. Depends on the way you look at it. It's still a low pressure sitting off the coast of New Jersey, pushing the waves back into New Jersey, Long Island areas such as that. You have some high pressure built in here with warm and hot temperatures back towards the mid-Atlantic states. A slight risk of severe weather here across this evening, right across here in the D.C. Metro area. But look further to the west, we have a cold front lined up here across the Midwest, parts of the state of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma. You see there's a low here pushing out into this. So some showers and thunderstorms also likely in that location. So we continue to move it on, and you see where the front is versus Hermine. And Hermine just is wobbling around as the showers and thunderstorms fire along that front into the overnight and into tomorrow. When Hermine finally gets absorbed, it looks like it dissipates as this front, and then it will start making a move towards the east. Showers and thunderstorms will be likely, especially across Kentucky, Ohio, back to the Missouri area. By the time we get around to Friday, we'll be starting to fire on cylinders, Friday and Saturday, with potential thunderstorms in the northeast and also here in the mid-Atlantic states. Out to the west, high pressure builds in, cool weather, with temperatures in the 70s and 80s, and low humidity built in behind the front, which makes it really nice for a few days. We then get a return flow, warm a little bit before we get the next cold front, which will move through. We also have something that the models are starting to catch on to, a possible tropical system. But this is pretty far out. We got to watch it, and most likely become a fish storm because of the fact that we would have high pressure moving in and cold front moving off the coast, and then it would push out to sea. We get another push in from the Midwest of showers and thunderstorms, and then pretty much stays on that for another couple of days. That's pretty much a week of weather right there. Here what I'm showing you is a close-in model, a mesoscale model of the 4K NAM. We see Hermine this evening circulating in circles. Showers and thunderstorms are developing along that. Let me pull this back. Along that area from D.C. to Baltimore, Richmond, Virginia, back to Pittsburgh. Those storms are firing as you see Hermine off the coast. You may have some flooding rains with this because it's going to train over the same location. Then you have finally Hermine going towards and dissipating towards the Cape. And we have tomorrow coming in. We have coming from the west. Showers and thunderstorms coming in a mesoscale convective system across the state of New York, actually. We may see some severe weather with this MCS, such as Syracuse down to Albany. And you see the storms progressively weaken as they get towards the Delaware Valley. But that's for the day tomorrow and not for the day Friday, which would likely be more violent on the East Coast, as we'll have that boundary sitting over the area for eastern Pennsylvania and southern New Jersey. So we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll keep you updated. Meteorologist Dean Davis.